Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is Paul and 9 years old. Today I will tell you about big question. How are animals different one another? This is mammal. Mammal have rabbits, tiger, bats, monkey, human. Mammal feeds them baby to drink milk, and they have many fur or hair to keep them warm. Mammal have legs to run, walk, move, and have lungs to breathe the air. Birds have wings and feathers to fly and keep them warm. But some birds can fly, like ostrich, peacock, penguin. Birds eat worms and fish. Birds do not eat. They lay eggs. The eggs of they are very hard. Cô đọc lại cho con.
Có sao đâu con?